Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. We are doing a little night ride. It is surprisingly very warm here. Oh, and there's a pack. What the hell? Completely randomly ran into these dudes. Did not expect this. This is interesting. No clue what they're doing. Oh, here's another little group. Is this a stretched DRZ? Yeah, it is. Damn, that DRZ smells pretty bad. I think wheelies are back today, guys. I just adjusted the clutch. It was all out of whack, but I think today we are back. What is good? I'm seriously so confused why everywhere is so congested. This is ridiculous. Whew, guys, in my last video, actually I don't think I posted it because it was just kind of a random ride, but last time I rode, I bent my shifter up because I dropped the bike. I'll insert that video here. Unbelievably slick. We bent my bent my shifter again, but it also hurts to shift with these shoes because they have no padding. Then we found a pack again. Yeah guys, for the last week and a half though, it's literally rained every single day. I think it's remnants from Hurricane Ian. So it's been terrible riding weather, but on top of that, it's also been really cold. It's been like 40 degrees out. So it's just been completely miserable. Now it's like finally nice. It's like 70 today, should be like 70 tomorrow. So looking forward to riding. Dark. I can't see anything when I wheelie doing that. Whew, almost a full moon tonight too. Getting closer to where we need to be. Getting closer, mate. Ooh, nice clear bridge. Oh, look at the moon too. It looks sweet. It's weird looking to the right of the bars. I'm used to looking left. Visor down for the air. Don't like how much we're leaning left there, especially with oncoming traffic. Let's rip one up the hill again quick. Yeah guys, I mean, completely different wheel setup. The Sumo wheels are definitely harder to wheelie than the dirt wheels, just because they're smaller. So, getting used to it, but we're getting there. Just trying to ride more. That was sketchy! Where are you? See what that does for us. See what it does. Hopefully it keeps them straighter. Alright, little less PSI. Let's see how this feels. Visor down for the wind. Oh, it's way better! That was so much better, guys. I can't see shit with this visor down, but let's go! Dude, not a single person uses their turn signal. Alright, let's try it on this little portion of the street again. Hopefully it'll be a bit straighter. Let's see. It's like this crack right in the middle. That's it. Oh, I was like, just ended up chasing it out at the end, but that was pretty good actually. I was happy with that. Ducati Hypermoto. Just chill at balance point, please, and keep it straight. Here is a nice little spooky road. We can try a wheelie here. I bet you every single person in all those cars over there are just getting baked right now, for sure. Turn off the turn signal. Oh, would you look at that, another rider. Ready, let's try a little first gear, boy. These have been getting kind of fun. Just into the car. Just backfires like crazy. Now what I'm getting scared of, guys, is like how far away the car in front of me is. Because I'm like, now I'm scared because I literally can't see them at all. Like, literally not at all. So that's my newfound fear here. Definitely getting further back, but it's always a work in progress here. Yeah, guys, I do like the Supermoto wheels, but I have to say, because it's a smaller wheel, that the diameter is smaller, so it's actually harder to wheelie because there's less to balance on. So like if you're trying to wheelie and thinking the Supermoto might help, it will not. It'll actually make it harder, but you obviously still can wheelie it just fine. Yeah, guys, if anyone has recommendations on PSI for your tires on Supermoto wheels, let me know. I know it's like good to reduce the PSI for wheelies to help you stay straight and then slowly increase them, but how low is too low? What's a good PSI to practice at? Any of that info would be helpful, because I'm at like around 20-ish right now. Ooh, a dirt bike! That's a little Chinese pit bike. Dude, that thing sounds like shit! You know, I just realized what happened. I did not loop my belt through every hole. Oopsie. Do we have time to fix this? I think we do. No panic. Where's the hole? Fuck. Oh, you know what? It ripped. That's what happened. I did not loop it. It just ripped. Dude, every time I wheelie now, my pants just get pulled down, and I'm just mooning everyone behind us. Alright, that's enough. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you for watching. More to come. Peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list singer.